beautiful. Welcome back to Vicky TV, a little haven where we talk about self-care, self-love, and self-improvement. And in today's video, we are going to talk about gift idea for your loved one, brother, sister, cousin, friends who are into bubble tea. It is a fun drink, and I know a lot of people in my life love it. And I have a cousin that requested this video because she loved receiving gifts that reflect her hobby, and my channel is all about that. My gift guide is all about that. And if you are having somebody in your life who are into bubble tea, then stay tuned. Let's go. The first idea for your boba lover is reusable boba carrier. Why do I start with it? Because as a boba lover, they will always going to buy it for friends and family, and it will be more than just their drinks, right? So the reusable carrier like this would help them to bring multiple one out without tray carrier or the plastic bag that is being used. And this is environmental friendly, and it's a nice touch for your friends who visit bubble tea shop often. Next things would be, how do you drink it? A straw, right? But what is a straw made of in a bubble tea shop? Plastic. We are trying to save the environment and reduce the plastic waste that we produce. So the next gift will be a glass straw. Not only this is for your bubble tea friend, but it can be really for anybody. It's reusable and you can wash it, and it's glass, because I know that some people don't like the feeling of drinking it out of a stainless steel because the edge could be rough sometimes. And you know, I have friends and even myself got cut from a steel straw before. So glass straw is a substitute options, and it's beautiful. It's have so many different color and so many different shape. And I know your boba lover friends will enjoy this gift very much. Next one would be a bubble tea kit. What a wonderful gift idea, because instead of having to go to the shop all the time, now you give them something that they can do it at home and can always have the supplies available at home to do a cup of bubble tea drinks for themselves and enjoy it. My cousin, who I am doing this video for, I know she drink a lot of bubble tea and she love it, and she give me lots of suggestions as well as bought me a lot of good bubble tea drinks before. So if you can give them something that they can do at home and enjoy at home without having to go out, because the sensitivity of our time, as well as, you know, when it's being cold outside, you just want a cup of tea, and if you have everything to do it at home, then you don't really have to leave, and you always have the best cup of bubble tea that is made up to your standard, however you like it, at the tip of your finger. Isn't it great? Next one would be a boba pin. With this gift, it is a personalized item, and they can show it off by pinning it to their bag, pinning it to their pencil case, or any of the personal belongings that they have that they want to show off. Cute and fun hobbies of loving bubble tea. There's loads of options out there that is looking something like this or something like this that I know they're gonna enjoy a lot, and they going to just use it, and how fun it is for them as well as yourself to see that you give them something that they enjoy and they actually use, right? Look at this cutie, a boba tea light. Who wouldn't want one of this in their bookshelf, on their desk, on their table, in their bedroom, wherever? It's so cute. Just imagine if your friend or your loved one, your family member can display this on his or her bookshelf, and when you walked in their room and you see this, and it just like light up everybody's mood, and it's just so cute. You cannot resist this. Talking about cuteness, I cannot not mention this item, and it is a boba keychain. It's light up, and just look how cute it is. If you can have it in your keychain and, you know, show it off because it's so cute. Imagine if you give this to your boba lovers, friends and family member, just the light in their eyes seeing this item. Just talking about it right now already make my day. So try it out. Let me know if you plan to give this to any of your friends this holiday season, okay? Next one, this is a must-have in the gift guide for boba lover. And when I did my research, I saw this and I'm like, it's a must. I have to include this in the gift guide. It is a Boba Tea AirPod case. All of us have at least one of this in our bag, right? And I see a lot of people going to grocery store with that in their ear, meaning that, you know, the case of it is in their bag. And just imagine if you able to pull a super cute boba AirPod case out of your pocket and just kind of show it off a little bit. It's so cute. It's a conversation starter gift. It's a must that you're getting this gift for your boba lover this holiday season. Last item would be a Boba Tote Bag. It is cute and it reduces, again, the waste of plastic that we put out into our environment. This is a reusable bag that they can wear it when they go grocery shopping, or if they needed to put anything in there for return, or just a quick errands out there, that instead of using a plastic bag, using this tote bag, or maybe going to school to put like books and stuff in here. It is cute, it is effortless. There is so many designs out there, whether or not it's black and white like this or a colorful one, but you know, this is such a wonderful and thoughtful gift that once you give this to your family members or your loved one, I know they're gonna use it. This is such a cute gift. I know they're going to enjoy. Thank you so much for watching the Boba Lover gift guide for this holiday season. I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you like the suggestion in this video. And you will consider buying one of these for your loved one this holiday season. If you like this idea and would like to know what other interesting topic and videos that will be made here on my channel, then it's easy. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget the bell notification for future video. I hope you're having fun shopping this gift for your boba lover friends, and maybe it's gonna grow into you and you're gonna like bubble tea from now on. But whatever it is, I hope you are having a good time shopping and your loved one will love this gift. I'll catch you next time on Vicky TV. Bye love.